Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just started a cushion cover with 3 ply wool, and today's video I will tell you about this cushion cover, and I'm starting for this video a new cushion cover. So I will tell you the all chains, all measurement for the cushion cover. So let's begin our video. For this cushion cover I am taking this 3 ply wool. Okay, with this I am using 2.0 mm crochet hook. We will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. See one more time this knot. Like this. Okay, start to make foundation chain. For this cushion cover, this is 12 by 12 inches cushion cover. So for this I am making 115 chains. Okay, so make 115 chains, 115 chains. Okay, I have made my 115 chains. Okay, now skip very first chain, and from the second chain start to make double crochets. Double crochet in every chain. I'm making first in this video I'm showing you this border. This is my first part, and in this part I'm telling you about this border. So we'll make a basic line of double crochets. Double crochet in every chain. This is my basic double crochet line. So we will have 114 double crochets. We have made 115 chain, and one chain we have skipped in the starting, so we have left only 114 chains. So we will have 114 double crochets. See, we'll make all double crochets. Okay, I have completed my 114 double crochets, as you can see. Now chain 1. Now make 1 double crochet in first chain and make 3 more double crochets. Continue, and there will be 4 total. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and skip 2 chains, and in the third chain make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next chain, like this. Make 2 chains, skip 2 chains, in the third chain make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next chain. Chain 2. We will repeat the exact process to make these blocks. 2 chains, skip 2 chains, make 2 double crochets, continue in the next chains, and make 2 chains, skip 2 double crochets, continue in the next 2 chains, 2 chains, like this. We will complete this round. Okay, in last we have left 7 chains, so 2 chains, skip 2 chains. Now we have left 5 chains, so make 5 double crochets, continue, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 1. Okay, so in the second row we have 26 spaces. You can increase or decrease the chains, double crochets, according to your cushion size or according to the wool. If you are taking 3 ply wool, then this measurement is perfect for the 12 by 12 cushion cover size. Okay. Okay, in the third row I have make one chain and turn over, make five double crochets, continue. Now we will complete this border. You can increase this border also. If you want to make a big size border, then you can make 3 double crochets in starting and 2 chains, skip 2 chains and make 2 double crochets in this space, make 2 chains and skip these 2 chains and make 2 double crochets in the next space. But I want a small size borders. In the third row I'm closing this border here, 5 double crochets. We have 2 chains here, so we will make 2 double crochets in this space, 1 and 2 double crochets on these two chains and 2 double crochets in the next space. So basically we are making exact first row, so we will have 114 double crochets in the third row also. Okay, I have completed my third row also. So here my border is completed now. See, so I hope you like this border, you like this video. So please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. This is my first part, and in the second part we will start this design for cushion and we'll tell you about the instructions, all step for cushion cover or all very important tips in the next video. So please keep watching. Thank you.